Welcome to another tone video where I wanted to show the HNV406L set, which is these 6 impact sockets in 1/2-inch drive. They come with these locking, well, I should say a locking pin that's secured with an O-ring, sturdy O-ring. 6-point, heavy duty. That tone is 24 millimeter, 6-point. And these are the long or deep impact sockets, I guess you could say. Most are like 55 millimeters long. Well, here, take a look. 406L set, 6-piece set, comes with the 13, 14, 17, 19, 21, 24. It's all the way down to 24. Yeah, they're all 55 millimeters in length. And then they come with this really cool holder here, which you only need 6, but it comes with 7, which is pretty nifty. And the way they fit is that pin slides into that section right there. So you line that up there, boom. So the set, like I said, 13, 14, 17, 19, 21, 24. There you got it, or there you have it. That's a hefty set. So yeah, comment below if you want to see more videos like this. Tell us what you think. And if anybody is interested in the pricing on anything from Tone or Tone, you can find my email address in there on our channel. Send me an email and I can get you pricing on any of this stuff. Or if you need their online catalog, let me know. All right, thank you much.